Hey, my name is Leo from the Azure Container Registry product team. In this short demo, I'll be taking everyone through how continuous patching, our newest feature, can help keep your images secure by automating both the detection and remediation of operating system level vulnerabilities. So continuous patching allows users to quickly configure a patching workflow that runs on schedule. When queued, the workflow will scan all selected images using Trivy, and if any vulnerabilities are discovered, the feature will patch it using copacetic, therefore generating a new image. This allows users to quickly fix CVEs without the need to fully rebuild. So now we'll quickly get into a demo. So here is a quick overview of my ACR with a target Nginx image. So I'm going to quickly run Trivy on this image to showcase all the existing vulnerabilities. So by running this following command, we can see that there is we can see that there are quite a few vulnerabilities, about 200 of them, which is quite a concern for security. So now we want to go ahead and configure our patching workflow to remove this risk. So our patching workflow relies on a JSON input, which is what you're currently editing on screen. You can see that we specify the exact image or images we want patched by picking out our repositories and tags. In this example, it is an Nginx 1.21 image that we previously showcased. So now let's go ahead and head to the CLI where we can create our workflow. So our feature is currently in the private preview stage, and we plan on hitting public preview by the end of April, so in a month from now. When it public previews, we will be only offering a CLI experience, but you can debug through the portal since we are built upon ACR tasks. So let's go ahead, head to the portal, and we can quickly take a look at what tasks are created when this workflow is run. So you can quickly see here that we offer 3 tasks, one for triggering the workflow, one for scanning, and one for patching. So this section I'm going to quickly speed up, skip the duration of the task runtimes, which you can see on screen, and we can see that each task takes about 30 seconds to a minute for the patch and scan to run. You can also click directly into the tasks themselves to see logs on what exactly was changed, especially if something fails. Now in our repo stage, we can quickly see that a new CSSC policy/patch policy artifact was created. This is just to store the JSON configuration that we previously ingested. Now, more importantly, we can see that we have a 1.21-1 image in our Nginx repo now. This is the new patched image that we just produced. So now let's go ahead and take a look and see if all vulnerabilities we had previously found in the Nginx image has been successfully patched. So running the same Trivy scan command on the new image, we can see that there are no more vulnerabilities within the image itself. So we have successfully created and patched the image, and it is now safe to deploy. Thank you so much for listening to this quick demo. If you're interested in our feature, please, we value your feedback. Reach out to the following alias.